Today, I'd like to share with you an electric forklift that can carry a load of 2 tons. This type of forklift has a small tonnage, but it's more cost-effective in terms of price. I hope you'll like it. Here are some of the functions of the forklift, which are also its main uses. Even when loaded with 2 tons of goods, all functions can still operate normally, and there is basically no risk of tipping over during normal driving. Our company has a comprehensive range of products in the forklift field, ranging from 2-ton forklifts to 10-ton 1S and even higher tonnages. They all are our main business. All our forklifts have obtained ISO International Organization for Standardization certification, and their quality is guaranteed. If you have any thoughts or inquiries about forklifts, please feel free to leave a message in the comments section.